Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I'm just so inspired to create a makeup and I found this picture at Pinterest. I'm gonna put a picture here because you can't really see because my ring light is like reflecting on my screen. I'm just so inspired to create this makeup. She's like wearing a lot of peach and corals and orange shades, which are my favorite colors, and the look is very simple. Only she's wearing contact lens. I don't wear contact lenses because I'm scared. I think I'm just gonna follow her brows, which is a little bit straight and a little curved to the end. So I'm just gonna create some light strokes. Then for my base, I'm gonna use a concealer. This is from Peripera, and I am in the shade Natural Beige. Oh wait, this is their Double Longwear Cover Concealer. To set the base, I'm going to use the powder. This is the You Better Work Fixing Powder from Essence Cosmetics. So I'm gonna use the Focallure Fluff Max. This is going to brush up my brows. I don't think I still have product left inside, but I'm just gonna use what's on the brush. I need to contour. I don't think she looks like she's contouring, but I need to contour my face. So I'm gonna use this one from Focallure. This is their Jasmine Meets Rose Soleil Matte Bronzer in the shade S02. Okay, now let's move on to the eyeshadows. So on her eyelids, I think she's using like this kind of shade, like a red orange shade, and she's kind of like mixing to an orange shade. So I think I'm gonna mix these two shades here, and she's like also placing it all over her eyelids. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I need a clean brush, but I don't have any clean brush. This one. So I still have. I'm just gonna apply a thin layer first. That looks a little bit reddish. I'm gonna add a little bit more orange pigment. Lines. Her eyelids looks more orange, so I'm adding more orange. On this part, she did apply some shimmery eyeshadow on her inner corners, and this. No, I don't think I'm gonna use this shade. I have this one from iMimi, and this is their eye multi-cube mini palette, and I prefer this I prefer this shade. So I'm gonna place this on my inner corners. She's also placing it a little bit on her eyelids. Yeah. You can't really see it. I wanna add more. I look like I just cried. And then she has a little wing eyeliner, so let's do it. Okay, so that's it. And then I'm gonna copy that to the other side. Alright, so I'm done with the both eyes. I kind of messed up this eyeliner here. It looks kind of thick compared to this one, but I'm just gonna move on with the blush. So for her blush, I think her makeup is like very monochromatic, so I think I'm just gonna use the same shade. I'm gonna dip into this shade first, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna place it on the part of my cheeks because that's where she also placed it. Okay, I think I just applied too much, so I'm gonna use the sponge, put some powder, and just blend it on top of the blush. Okay, so moving on to the lips, I'm gonna use a combination of these are from Maybelline, and this one is in the shade Rosy Orange. This one is in the shade Noho Amber. So I'm gonna apply the Rosy Orange all over. I need to put this in the center. Her lipstick looks more bright orange. That doesn't look good. I'm gonna try this one from Focallure. This is in the shade Carmine Pink. I think this one looks more closer. This one looks closer. I'm gonna take a little bit of this orange shade and apply it like this on the outer part of my lips. If you have sensitive skin, then don't do this. Okay? Just to make the lipstick look more orange, I need to get a very orange lipstick. Most of my lipsticks here are more on coral tone. Comment down below if you know any orange, like orange lipsticks, because I need to get one. Okay, I need more highlighter. I think I'm done. No, I'm not yet done. I forgot to apply mascara, and her mascara doesn't look so heavy. It looks so natural. So I think I'm just gonna apply 2 layers of this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!